welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and this week I am going to do some prom dresses, so like a prom dress haul video. I am way past prom, but that doesn't mean that I can't try on a few fun dresses that I found on Amazon, because I know a lot of people are on budgets and you don't want to spend so much money on one dress that you might not wear again. But I guess if you're going to prom with this dress, you probably will wear it again because you got a lot of time. There's gonna be some weddings and stuff you're gonna have to wear this to, or you could wear to in the future. So to keep this video very affordable and with my channel, and just so you guys know I like everything very frugal and just very cost effective, I found some dresses on Amazon that were under $50. So it is the perfect dress for prom, as it's 50 bucks. I'm sure you spend $50 on worse things every week. I'm going to try on, and I haven't even opened them yet, so it's going to be like a first time try type of thing. And what's really good about these dresses is they're all Amazon Prime. So all these dresses you could have at your house within 24, 48 hours, just depending on when you buy it off Amazon, but definitely within 2 days, you can have this dress at your doorstep and ready to go. So it's a perfect last minute prom dress. And this is not sponsored by Amazon. I just wanted to try some dresses and find a cheap, affordable way you could buy some cute dresses. So we're gonna try these 4 dresses and let's get started. First dress is this floral blue one. So we're gonna open this one up and see what it's all about. First thoughts, it is a little sheer. It's very thin, so you might need a layer underneath from the first look of it. But so this is the dress. I really like the color and like the flowers and stuff on it. So this is the first dress and let's try it on. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. What's cool is like, so it has this opening, but there's shorts underneath, so it adds the double layer at the back. So it's not actually sheer and you don't see your underwear as you wear the dress. It obviously needs a little bit of steaming to make it a little bit nicer looking, but overall I think it's really cute. Even though I'm not going to prom, I think I could still wear this in the summer just for anything, like a bridal shower, which I have something to go to this year, as well as maybe like a wedding. There's many different occasions you can wear this dress. Now we're going to move on to a sparkly dress because they are just fun and everyone always wants to wear sequins. So we're going to try this one next and see how it goes. This is the second dress and it's all sequins and I absolutely love it. I feel like I want to keep this even though I'm not going to prom or have any place I could wear this, but it is so fun and cute to wear. I won't lie, depending where you are, it might get a little bit hot just because it is longer sleeve for prom, but overall this dress is awesome. It has a layer underneath so it's not going to be see-through, and the sequin details are really nice. It's sewn on there well, they're not going to fall off, and it just fits really well. So I got a size small on all these dresses, but I'm going to put all the sizing and stuff down below so you can get kind of a better look and idea of what sizing and stuff that I got for the dresses. Love all the design here. I find it really like kind of hugs in with like going like this. It makes you look almost smaller here, kind of hugs it. Super cute, and like I said, the sequins are on very well. It's really well made for like around a $50 dress for prom. This is adorable. The struggle is real with the zipper. How do people do this? If you get this dress, get a friend to help you. The next dress is a colorful pink one because who doesn't like pink for prom? So let's try this one on. It fits so well. There's actually a built-in bra with like a little strap in the inside here so you can keep all the girls intact when you're partying all night. So that is good. But it is so beautiful. I also think this dress would be really good for like a bridesmaid's dress if you're looking for anything like that. And it comes in so many different colors. It's actually staying up really well too. You know, sometimes you get like strapless ones and everything just falls down, but like I can move around and nothing's moving at all. It really keeps everything snug and it's so pretty. But you put like a little crystal belt here would be really cute as well for it. Last but not least is this cute, another pink one, and it's a 2-piece I believe. So we're gonna try this. It's a little different than I thought for prom, but Kind of remind me of something that Kim Kardashian wore. I could be wrong because I really don't know too much about her, but kind of remind me of that. So we're going to try this one on and see how it fits. And the fourth dress, or two-piece, whatever you want to call it. Once again, it is cute for around $50. I am shocked at the amazing dresses you can find on Amazon. Got a size small and the top seems to fit really well. Kind of like how it's a little looser here. It just makes sure that it's not like snugging tight and like bulging anything. But this is a little bit looser, so I feel like that would need to be taken in a little bit, like just a tad. But it's not a deal breaker. It's easy to fix that kind of stuff. I love the detailing on it. It does seem a little bit big in the sleeves. I don't know. Kind of the mirror, it looks like it. But it fits really comfortably. Like, it's not too tight, so I think that's a good thing. Up close, you can see all the little detailing that it has on the top as well as on the skirt. Once again, I think I need to keep all these dresses. They're so beautiful, but I need places to wear them. People invite me to your fancy parties, please. Thanks for watching, guys. That was my 4 dresses for prom. Let me know in the description box below which dress you like the best. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up, as I'm back every week with new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.